Do you have dental problems? Your problem is over. Kasi meron tayong bagong company owned by a Filipino and serving the Filipinos. SMDC, Specialized Medical and Dental Center. We're here for the grand opening, ribbon cutting, and blessing of SMDC. Let's join them. Ito po yung reception area ng SMDC. And at the back, you can see this is the office where you can easily contact the assigned receptionist just in case she's not on her table. Kaya SMDC po, try to discover the place. Today is my very lucky day kasi katabi ko dalawang magaganda. Bihira lang itong mangyayari sa buhay ko. To my left is Jenny, the General Manager of SMDC, at saka si Sheila naman. I believe na isa sa mga service nyo yung pagpapaganda sa mga Pilipinas, di ba? I'm sure not only Filipinas but other nationalities as well, right?
Yes, we're also targeting other nationalities, but as of the moment, we only have, we're offering the dental services to our clients, but soon it is our prospect to have
ibang services. Okay. So, pag pupunta pala dito, ganito kaganda yung complexion. O, katulad nito si Sheila, meron natang course ng how to flash a sweet smile. Kasi ang sweet ng smile nila, siguro mga diabetic ito, no? Kasi ang tamis ng smile. Mamaya po, we will try to video the other services that they have. In fact, yung clinic, and we will also interview our resident doctor here at SMDC. So, inaanyayahan ko po yung the entire Filipino community to visit the clinic, SMDC, or Specialized Medical and Dental Center. Nako, meron akong nakita dito na Exilis Elite. It's a whole new treatment experience. Pagpatanggal ng taba. Look at my waistline. I think my worry is finally over because today I just discovered a place to get rid of this bulging tummy of mine. Ang ganda. We will talk to the resident doctor later on and we will find out how to avail of their services. SMDC. Ito pa ang maganda. Probably if you are accompanying a patient, kung nandoon sila sa loob, you have a place here inside. Ito yung waiting room ng SMDC. Tingnan mo, ang ganda. Meron pang television screen. That means you will never get bored while waiting for the patient. Pwede kang manood sa favorite mong television show or any other videos that they will play just to make you feel better while enjoying your time here at the Specialized Medical and Dental Center. Yung kagandahan, meron silang waiting room for ladies, meron din for men. Kaya habang naghihintay ako kay Doktor, I have to enjoy my time relaxing and watching the video on the screen. Very comfortable place to wait. SMDC, by the way, it's located just across Ramadan Hotel, first level of Al Hudayba Awards, just beside the Ibis Hotel. So, in case you're planning to visit their clinic, you can check out their website as well. But don't worry, we will flash their contact number on the screen. If you have problems with your teeth, this is the right place. And we are very lucky because today we have the doctor here, Dr. Ian. Doc, batiin mo naman yung mga Filipino community natin because we will feature this on the Top Pinoy UAE. So the entire Filipino community will know of your services. Batiin natin, Doc.
Hello, magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Dr. Ian Aquino ng SMDC. Ang ating klinik ay isang multi-specialty clinic. Meron tayong mga dentista ng mga specialista at magkakaroon din tayo ng mga dermatologist at saka GP medical doctors. No? lahat ng serbisyo na pwede namin ibigay ay may ibibigay namin sa atin, sa mga Pilipino, at hindi lang naman sa mga Pilipino, pati sa mga ibang lahi.
You know, every time we go to a clinic or a hospital, Doc, price is always the major concern of Filipinos. You know, we are also price sensitive. So, is it affordable to a normal OFW?
Yes, definitely. Affordable tayo. The only thing that I assure you is the quality that I'm giving. No? We're not using any cheap materials, definitely. Yun ang iniingatan natin.
So that means affordable price at very high quality products.
We're using only the highest quality that we can give to our patient.
Maganda. You've been here for since when, though?
I've been here since 2007, and I've been practicing since 2011.
So more or less, you know the services that Filipinos normally look for in the center.
Yes, definitely. As a dentist, as a medical provider, ginagawa ko, as I mentioned pa nga pala, isa nga rin pala akong profession ng dental school.
Oh, that's very good, very impressive.
So talagang nagbibigay ako ng talagang tamang serbisyo na hindi natin tinitipid, no? And ang ginagawa rin namin, every month nagbibigay rin tayo ng community service sa consulate.
Oh!
So yun ang importante. Kailangan natin ibalik ang ating mga biyayang natatanda. Diba?
Don't worry, Doc. We will see to it that the Filipino community will know your services.
Great. Salamat. At bumisita kayo sa ating klinika.
By the way, Doc, ano ba yung time where this clinic is open to the public?
Yes, we are open 9 to 9 in the morning hanggang 9 p.m. Siyempre, Saturday hanggang Thursday. No, in the long run, we might open also Friday. Nag-aantay na tayo ng mga bagong doktor na darating pa.
I noticed, Doc, that there are other services, especially yung pagpapayat. Nakikita ko ng poster doon.
Yes.
So that means that you are also going to deliver that.
Yes, definitely. We're just waiting for the dermatologist to join us. So until now, we're just going to give dental services for now. But in the long run, darating na rin yung dermatologist natin at saka isang medical GP to give services to all Filipinos. Not only for Filipinos, as I mentioned, to all nationalities here in UAE.
Actually, I mentioned earlier the venue, but you are in a better position to tell them where to find this clinic.
Yes, for now we're here at Al Hudayba Awards building in Satwa, Block B, first floor, room 119.
We're about to start the ribbon cutting ceremony while waiting for Aisy Munoz. So we will see her on video. Yung paghihintay natin, sulit si andito na si Aisy Munoz. As you can see on the video, she will be cutting the ribbon for the grand opening and launching of SMDC.
Congratulations!
May mga kamay ba tayo dyan? And we are about to start the cake cutting ceremony. We'd like to introduce first the lady behind SMDC, Madam Josie.
Madam.
Oh, with us. We're very proud to have with us. Calling her sexy is a case of underestimation. So, let's rephrase it. The sexiest female star from the Philippines, Aisy Munoz.
Yes. I'm a rock star, guys. Wait, hold on. How do I do this? I don't know. Okay, anyway.
Let's get a party started.
Yay! Thank you for coming over. Thank you so much.
Aisy.
Cut it? Okay, I cut it. This is fun. This is actually fun. Give you a small slice. And then one more. Yay!
Ayan na. Aisy, we are live and people are watching on FB. Would you like to greet your fans here in the UAE? Ayun.
Hello to all my friends here, my friends.
Yes, at saka yung, the partner of Jericho in the TV series, right? Would you like to invite them to watch?
Please, to watch every day. Magkakang wakas. Me too. Hey, thank you so much.
You're so silent. Can we give her an applause, please? community to visit your clinic. Invitahin natin, madam. Sige na, madam, oh. Ayan na.
Iniimbitahan ko po kayong lahat na sana pumunta po kayo sa aming clinic. Bibigyan po kami namin kayo ng magandang serbisyo. At gusto din namin na the main reason po kung bakit kinuha namin itong business na to para po ma-showcase namin yung world-class talent ng mga Filipino doctors. Also, hindi lang yung mga Filipino doctors na ibang lahi dito, na pati sa mga ating kababayan. Gusto po namin sila bigyan ng magandang serbisyo at sa murang halaga.
Palakpakan naman natin si madam.